When we spoke to some of the sources telling us about what were the contents of this particular letter, they told us that this is in fact just a similar letter that they had given to the NCW, which means that it is not just the State Women's Commission that Salman has questioned on its powers and its rights, but also the NCW. There are slight changes in the letter sent to both the panels, but essentially he has just come out with this entire thing saying that you do not have the right to prosecute me. There is nothing that you can do to me, and so better lay off, don't pursue this case against me. That seems to be in a nutshell what his legal team has come up with. At the same time, he has come out with some sort of an explanation is what we are told, but clearly no apology, nothing to say that he regrets the choice of words or the fact that even after this much of a brouhaha, he should rethink at least about what he has said. Nothing of that sort, no apology forthcoming, just a reiteration of what exactly happened at that particular time, what was the sequence of events, and then going on to say that in any case, you do not have the power to prosecute me.
Yeah, so Kajal, that's a real problem, and one wonders what is the State Women Commission going to be even doing now? Stay with me, Kajal. I'll just come back to you in a moment. Let's listen into what we've heard from the chief of the State Women Commission there, essentially, who's putting out a very guarded response.
उनके तरफ से हमें जवाब प्राप्त हुआ है और उसका हम अभ्यास कर रहे हैं। इस विषय में अब हम अभी बोल नहीं पाएंगे, इसीलिए कि उस जवाब का हम अभ्यास कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद ही बोलना सही होगा।
मैडम, और भी कोई सामान आप उनको भेजें?
अभी इस विषय पर जैसे मैंने कहा है कि उनकी तरफ से हमें उत्तर प्राप्त हो गया है और उसका हम अभ्यास कर रहे हैं। इसके अलावा और कोई जानकारी मैं नहीं दे सकती हूँ।